Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff. Hello and welcome to StarPuppy. I'm Danielle, your resident weirdo. Welcome to The Weirdness. I upload hair content on Saturdays at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I have a visual podcast here on my YouTube channel named StarPuppy Podcast. Tuesday Talks working title that is uploaded on Tuesdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope that you'll subscribe so you don't miss any episodes. Yes, it is the glorious return of Fluffnugget out of her braids and back for revenge. Here's what the girl look like. This is what happens when I wear wash and goes for several months and leave her alone. I had to readjust the camera just to get her in frame. Seeing as how my hair has made a smashing return since my haircut here, it's a circle with an eye in it, and you click on it, and then there's a list of videos and links in there, little goodies that I hand selected just for this video. It takes a long time and I forget to do it a lot, so please just click on them. Watch them after this. You got it. Now this is top secret information. NASA's onto me and the FBI is inside of that plant.
This one. I see you, Carl.
I hope you would appreciate it, and if you haven't liked this video, what's up with that? I thought you were cool. I also thought you were subscribed and not a lurker. We don't associate with lurkers here, so go ahead and subscribe if you want to come out from behind the other plant.
Come on. Subscribe.
So let's talk about scalp oil, shall we? I have a bunch of oils, and I have strong opinions on all of them. Here is my recipe for my DIY hair growth oil. Links to everything I use in the description. Here are the base oils or the carrier oils for my concoction. I use sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and extra virgin olive oil. Carrier oils should be the bulk of your oils. These are main ingredients. We're talking main ingredients. We're talking the flour. We're talking the eggs or the vegan eggs. We're talking like baking soda. I got baking soda. They should make up the majority of your oil. And I'll tell you why. Yes, I will, because you came here for very detailed, didn't you? You did. A carrier oil has been derived from seeds, kernels, or nuts of a plant. Okay? This is a scientific term. Carrier oils are known to be very chill. Unless you have nut allergies. Now, carrier oils are the vehicle through which a lot of essential oils enter your scalp. These carrier oils by themselves have a lot of benefits and nutrients, however. Now, sweet almond oil is one of my absolute favorite oils. She has never led me astray. I put her on my ashy knees and now they are conditioners. Look at that knee! Look at that knee! Look at that knee! Some of you have been asking how I stay trim in Worldwide Timeout. Being uppity is a big part of my workout routine. Now, sweet almond oil is nourishing, conditioning, is very easily absorbed in the skin. I have tried it out on my knee. Look at that knee. You remember my knee, don't you? It is a natural treatment for dry skin. One more time for the people in the back. Have you seen my knee? Look at that knee. Look at that knee. Look at that knee. Wow. Next up, buttercup. Jojoba oil is actually the closest chemical composition of any seed or nut oil to our naturally accruing sebum that is produced by our hair follicles. You know, that stuff that goes really well down straight hair but actually has a tough time getting to the end of kinky, coily hair like most of you watching. You can buy it. So this is actually extremely good for super dry hair. So this is moisturizing, it's sealing, and it's really softening for the hair. Also, fun fact, it actually contains fatty acids and fatty alcohols. Extra virgin olive oil, nope. Extra virgin olive oil is a natural hair and a cooking legend. What doesn't it do? It's a catch-all. It's got antioxidants, it moisturizes, it's a natural conditioner, it's very affordable, it's everywhere. What else do you want from an oil? And so the best thing about it is that it has really small molecules and it can penetrate straight to the cortex. This is what the hair shaft looks like, the cortex. That's good. You know what else is good? Is my merch, which is the summariest thing I've experienced this year, so. I can't go to the pool, and I can't go to the ocean, but dang it, I can wear a nice blue shirt that reminds me of both of them in summer times. Join me in summer, check out a shirt, tag me on Instagram. I interrupt these oils to let you know about something I've been doing during Cloval timeout, other than oiling my knees. Look at that knee. I'm going to let voiceover Danielle take it away. It is a writing class I've been really enjoying. No, this is not sponsored. Let's see what it's about.
So, worldwide timeout. My brain was getting stale. I needed some more skills. I needed a class. I needed to get my mind moving, and so I took a writing class. Write your screenplay with Jacob Kruger, who is an absolute sweetheart and is so invested and lovely and answers all the questions you could possibly have. And I wanted to let you guys know about it because it was so impactful for me, especially in these challenging times. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Each of the 4 sessions was 7 to 10, and each of them had a lovely lesson plan with real-life examples and submissions by the students. So it couldn't be more in-depth if you tried. This class in particular includes a one-on-one consultation with a working screenwriter, which is amazing. The link in the description goes directly to the class I took, and I would encourage you to look into it. It was really great for me, and let's get on back to the video.
Next, we're moving into the spices, the sugars, the oregano, the paprika. These are the essential oils. Now, listen to me good. An essential oil is a highly concentrated hydrophobic oil. These liquids contain volatile chemical compounds, okay? Which means these are the oils that like to box. So you should really only be using a couple of drops of each of these, okay? I cannot emphasize that enough. Have I tried it in the past and tried doing a little just because I wanted to box, I guess, and yes. Now these Nuck If You Buck oils have a lot of benefits, but if you use them in excess, they will nuck and buck. And then you'll be out of luck. You better duck, cause you gonna be stuck. And I'm not gonna press this rhyme any further. Now I'm gonna say some things that is gonna make you wanna use more than 3 drops of peppermint oil. I tried to stop you, but you wouldn't listen. Here are the benefits. 3 drops. Promoting hair growth, and I can attest. Very well, I can attest. Encouraging dormant, not gone, dormant hair follicles to get back in the game. 3 drops. If you come back to me saying, StarPuppy, you led me astray, I'll say, I tried, children, and you scattered away. You scattered. Also, it tingles the scalp. So the next essential oil is rosemary oil. Nope. Now rosemary oil, while not as Nuck If You Buck, we're still gonna go 3-4 drops on this one. Don't mess with essential oils. They will win. This is yet another promoter of hair growth. It also is a balancing oil. It's used in aromatherapy, so it's also a de-stressor of sorts. It also strengthens circulation to your scalp. So these oils, all in concentration, all at their proper calibration. It's just like your head, like your scalp is like, you ready? And finally, a less popular oil. Ylang Ylang Oil is another natural hair growth treatment. It also reduces stress. Personally, you know, we're all different. We all have different tastes, different opinions. I want to smell like Ylang Ylang Oil from my pores. I enjoy the smell so much. It's like a sweet, natural, almost licorice sweet. It's like licorice but better. That's what I got. It's also used in aromatherapy for de-stress, and as you can see, it's like my catnip. I love it, and it reduces stress, thus reducing hair fall from stress, which was one of my major factors in my hair loss journey. Ugh. With all these moisturizing, conditioning, hair promotion, circulatory, wake me up inside follicle, along with this de-stressor. This oil was, listen, I made it myself. I researched it myself. You see all these daggone oils. The first row you see, there's another row after this one. This first row you see, there's another row, and then another row after that one. I got oils. For me, I oil my hair on wash day, then every 2 days, and I make sure that I just don't go to sleep on the oils. I let them sink in for maybe 4 or 5 hours before I go to sleep. Don't use a lot of this oil. Don't go overboard. It does not take a lot, okay? If you can, do the inversion method, and I mean, you don't see in the thumbnail, right? You see where I'm coming from, right? You might notice that one of the powerhouses of natural hair and natural hair oils is missing. It is a particular oil, and I'd like you to guess which one it is and why I'm being so coy about it. I think I know what you might guess, and I would challenge you to not guess that one, but look for another one in your mind. I'm curious, what oil do you think I'm being coy about right now? And would you like I tried however many oils this is. So you don't have to. Are you interested in that? Let me know and I'll include it in my video on that. I upload hair content on Saturdays at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and my podcast, Tuesday Talks with StarPuppy, working title, on Tuesdays at 3 p.m. I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and check out merch if you are so inclined. I'll see you next time. This has been StarPuppy, aka Danielle, your resident weirdo StarPuppy, signing out. Say it with me now, StarPuppy. Me.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.
Look at that knee. God dang. Can you look at that knee?